Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your PNC credit card account login, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore your PNC credit card account login, begin by opening your web browser. Type in the URL for the PNC Bank website and press enter. On the home page, locate the sign on button, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on the sign on button to access the login page. If you see the option for Forgot User ID or Password, click on it. You will be directed to a new page that offers recovery options. First, select whether you need to recover your user ID or password. If you're recovering your user ID, enter the required information, including your social security number and account number. After filling out the necessary details, click the Continue button. Follow the prompts to verify your identity, which may involve answering security questions or receiving a code via email or phone. If you need to reset your password, enter your user ID and follow the on-screen instructions. You may be asked to provide personal information to verify your identity. Once verified, create a new password that meets the specified security criteria. Confirm your new password by entering it again. After successfully resetting your password, return to the login page. Enter your user ID and the new password you just created. Click on the Sign On button to access your account. If you encounter any issues, contact PNC customer support for assistance. Make sure to keep your login credentials secure for future access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.